Good morning vlog. I know I look crusty. Ignore that. Like, a girl's got a shower. Summertime, but it really doesn't feel like it because look outside. It is so gloomy. Like it has been for the last like week, and I think for the next week it's supposed to rain a lot. So I don't know who's going through a breakup, but girl, you gotta get that stuff sorted out. Nobody's gonna have a hot girl summer if it's gonna be gloomy and raining all day. I just can't. I just woke up. It is 8:47 and I thought that I should go to the gym, but then I was like, girl, let's do something more like fun. Rainy vibes are just like at home vibes, you know? So I'm gonna do a Pilates class just like at home. It's so easy. If you feel like you can't afford to go to a Pilates class, go on YouTube and search up any Pilates video you want to do. Obviously it's affordable, it's free. I'm in my workout set. Very plain Jane. I've been trying to do like the Daisy Keach hourglass challenge, if you will. Me acting like I've been doing it for a week. I started yesterday, but I'm gonna do the abs thing again today. And then maybe I'm trying to think if we could do like a full body Pilates. I don't really want to target anything in particular. On the screen, the ones that I'm gonna do, this one and this one. So let's go work out. First workout done. Honestly, not that bad. Great little warm up. Your abs are gonna be killer though, which is the whole point. Next, we're gonna do the Pilates. Oh my God, I'm so mad because I forgot to start my workout on my watch. That's like literally the worst. So that was a fun little workout for the morning. The girlies who come out of the Pilates studios are so dainty and cute, and I just love it. And I kind of want to be like them. The Daisy Keach one I've been trying to do like every day. So again, I told you I started yesterday, I did today. I'm gonna keep doing it because I want them abs, bro. Usually I do it on the deck, but of course it's like gloomy, but it's so nice when the sun like hits you. That's why I tried to still do it in front of a window so that like I still get a little bit of like natural light, I guess you could say, but it's so gloomy. Now that the workout is complete, let's eat something. I've been really on a kick lately with very basic breakfasts, but taste so good. So let me show you what we're gonna have this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're having for breakfast. This morning we are going to have 2 eggs. Usually after the gym, I have like 3 eggs. I think it's because I'm like, let's get strong. I'm just gonna have 2 eggs this morning, scrambled. And then usually I have some yogurt. I usually get the 0% milk fat one, and I got the brand Activia. It's super good, the vanilla. And then usually what I put in my yogurt is these chia seeds, and chia seeds and flax seeds are really good for you. It's like a blend of chia and flax. I'll put on the screen the benefits of chia seeds and the benefits of flaxseed, because honestly, I don't know. I bought some watermelon, so I thought maybe I'll have some watermelon on the side, but I don't know yet because that makes me super full. So maybe I'll just save the watermelon for a snack later. So I literally, I have decided that I'm going to tan, and I'm going to show you guys my tanning routine. It's not quite like perfection, but I'm still going to show you what I do. So even though it's like pouring down rain and I just accepted a shift at my work at 7 p.m. We're gonna see how it works out. First things first is I'm gonna quickly go take a shower and then I'll meet you in the bathroom. Sup. So I just got out of the shower and I like scrubbed my face and my body. That's very important to like get off all the dead skin. And then I actually have this bar that I want to talk to you guys about in another video, but I'll just mention it now. There is this like bee scrub thing from Lush that's so good. I'll put a picture right here. It scrubs your body and moisturizes it at the same time. So like for the lazy girls out there, it's perfect. Let's get into tanning. I'm just gonna quickly like prep my hair, prep my face, because I do have to just quickly moisturize my face. I scrubbed it, so I wanna like do my skincare and then we'll get ready. Now that my hair and skin are like prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and start tanning. So what we're gonna use today is oh my god, everything's Saint Tropez, that's hilarious. Anyways, I got a new mitt. Hello. So soft. I got a new mitt because my other one was like getting really old. And then this is what we're going to be using today. I've done a review on this self tanner in the past. I'm pretty sure I said that I hated it, but we're going to try it out again. This is honestly the only self tanner I have left. Well, I have a little bit more other things, but I need like a restock because it's like that low. It comes out clear and I feel like it's not sticky, but I mean, I will tell you because honestly I don't remember. And then this is the spray, so you just kind of spray your face with it, which is kind of nice. I think like I can use it today, and then like if I want it to be more bronzed, I can do it again tomorrow, which is super nice. So let's go ahead and try it out because honestly it's been a while. Okay, so now I put on the like tanner. Obviously you can't really tell. I saw like kind of like a little tint, but I'm still like pale AF. Sorry, we don't want too much cleave. I think it's just gonna gradually like get darker and darker. I forgot that it's not a tanning smell. It's like a tropical type flowery smell, which is kind of nice because everybody knows that tanners smell disgusting. Kind of worried about my face because A, I don't know if this spray is expired, and B, when I sprayed it, it just did not seem like it really sprayed all over my face. It kind of seemed a little bit here, a little bit there, so we're gonna see about that. Love that. I work in 3 hours, but I have to pack for this weekend, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing. Obviously I can't like pack too much because it's literally for a weekend, but also I can't pack all my makeup or my skincare yet, but those are 2 things that are on the list. This weekend is Canada Day. I'm going with this like country vibe. If you guys saw my last video of me having a like summer haul from Shein, that's where I got this and it's so cute. So I'm gonna pack this, and this is gonna be my outfit. I'm bringing a bathing suit just in case. This is literally just like black bottoms. It's from Shein probably. It comes with a black top, but I just didn't get it. And then we also have this like bikini, which is super cute. And I got it from La Vie en Rose, and it's really cute. Matching the red, white, whatever, I have this top from Shein. If you guys saw my Shein summer haul, you guys probably seen all these, but I'm gonna wear this like yeehaw tank because, you know, the white and red vibes, and then I'm just gonna wear this like cargo skirt. I think that's gonna look super cute. So obviously that's gonna be in my bag. Let me pick out a bag. This is the bag I will be bringing. It's like huge. It's like literally like a duffel bag, also from Shein. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my bag. And this bag actually fits a lot of stuff. So honestly, kind of love it. Thanks for packing with me. It was super fast, but I have to get ready for work. Kind of don't know how I'm gonna feel because at work I sweat a lot because I'm always running around. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel with this. It's still a little sticky, but it's just like drying. And then I think it should be okay. wish me luck. I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready for work, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much, you guys, for spending the day with me. I know these vlogs have been a little short. I'm gonna do better next time, I promise. I'm trying to be a good vlogger, so let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram right here to get more content from me, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.